Hello everyone, I'm Diksha Arora, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm covering the most requested topic, that is how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Whether you are an experienced professional or just starting your career, optimizing your LinkedIn profile is essential for attracting job opportunities and building your personal brand. So grab a pen and paper because I'm about to share important LinkedIn profile optimization tips with detailed examples. This video is going to be a bit lengthy, but I insist you to watch this till the end, as a strong LinkedIn profile will increase your chances of getting more interview calls. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the like button if you appreciate my efforts. Now without any further delay, let's get straight into the list. First, we will discuss the topmost section of your profile. That is your profile photo, cover photo and your headline. Remember, your profile picture is often the first thing people notice when they visit your profile. Also, having a profile picture makes your profile 14 times more likely to be viewed by others. So make sure that you aim to fill about 70% of the frame with your face, just like you see my profile picture here. Choose a well-lit setting with neutral light if possible. Additionally, opt for a neutral background that won't distract from your face. And most importantly, avoid selfies and zoomed out shots. Now let's talk about your cover photo. Uploading a cover photo on LinkedIn is a great way to enhance your profile and make it more visually appealing. You can use Canva for this. There are a lot of free templates available to create a customized banner. Simply open Canva, click on social media and then LinkedIn background photo. And you can easily pick any free template and customize it as per your requirements. Now let's talk about your headline section. See, in your headline section, you need to mention your target job role, achievements and skills. For example, if I am from a social media background, this is how I will write my headline. Here are more examples for the headline section for different job roles. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of this part. Now let's move further and talk about your about and summary section. This is the most important section of your LinkedIn profile. I would suggest you to write this section in a hybrid format, which means begin with a brief overview about what you bring to the table, followed by clear headings about your core competencies and skills in bullet points, just like you see in this example. Here are a few more examples of most in-demand job roles. You can use these samples to draft your about section on your LinkedIn. If you have any doubts related to your job role, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can help you out. Now let's move further and talk about your work experience section. Remember to draft this section in reverse chronological order, beginning with your current or most recent position. Many candidates struggle with this section, not knowing how to effectively showcase their experience. Here's a detailed guide on how to draft the work experience section. Enter your job title, employment type, example, whether it's a full-time job or a part-time job, company name, location type, employment dates, and a brief description of your key responsibilities and skills for each position. Now moving further, please remember your education, certifications, volunteer work section is also very important. Similarly, fill out these sections to make your profile look complete and consistent. Now let's talk about keyword optimization. Keyword optimization for LinkedIn is crucial for increasing your profile's visibility and attracting the right opportunities. It involves to find important keywords for your profile, review job descriptions for positions you are interested in. You can simply copy-paste the job description in free word crowd generator to extract important keywords. Now you can strategically incorporate these keywords into your LinkedIn profile to match the terms recruiters and hiring managers use when searching for candidates. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile from scratch might seem daunting, but with these steps, you are well on your way to creating a standout profile that attracts recruiters and showcases your professional brand. Remember to keep your profile updated, engage with your network, and leverage LinkedIn's features to their fullest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips for enhancing your career prospects. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you are progressing with your LinkedIn journey. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep growing, and keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora to excel in your career. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, good luck and take care.